How to create a Bigo Live account. Ready to join the vibrant Bigo Live community and create your own profile? Creating a new account is the first step to live streaming and connecting with users worldwide on your iPhone. Let's get started. Tap on the Bigo Live app icon on your iPhone's home screen to open it. You'll see a screen to sign up or log in. Select sign up if you're not automatically presented with options. Choose your preferred method, phone, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Social sign-up are often faster. Follow the prompts for a chosen method. Verifying your phone number or authorizing your social account. Then set up your basic profile by entering a nickname, selecting your gender, and entering your birth date. Tap confirm to finalize your account. Congratulations, your Bigo Live account is now created. You're all set to begin your live streaming journey. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live creation tips.